How's it going today, guys? Welcome back to another video. Obviously we're on the CRF450. We're gonna do a little bit of wheelie practice and cruise around. It's a bit windy out, but that's okay. Keeps the cold or the hot weather down a bit, or the heat down a bit. I put a really thick windsock on my mic, so hopefully that works, but I don't know. Might get some still wind through it. I'll try my best editing it out. Oh, just gotta warm up a little bit. This is against the wind, so it's probably pretty bad. Just gonna warm up a little bit. Haven't been on the dirt bike in a minute.
I try to calm down, I can't do it. I'll have a gypsy lady turn Kanye Jewish. You bought a Cybertruck and boy, that bitch looks stupid. I'm running on fumes and I'm sipping on sewage. The road got bumpy, so I went Frank Lucas. A slimy mother bubble blower, straight mucus. I practice black magic, I start to turn bluish. Little bitch, I act clueless, like I don't know who you is.
Okay. Let's go out for a little cruise and see if we can crank a good wheelie for you guys. Hell yeah. Get some RPM going. I haven't been out wheeling in a minute. Wide open, boys. I wish I had a better tire. I'd do some gravel wheelies, but alrighty, I'll probably get back to you guys once I get back in town, because I'm gonna go against the wind for a bit. Okay, back out of the wind. That probably sounded absolutely brutal. Huh. Felt like not the right gear. A little staggered. A little rusty on that. Ooh, real rusty. That's okay. A little bit of a chase. Oh, it's still warm out, holy crap. Not bad. Oh, they haven't done one of those in a minute. Rough. Scooch back a little farther for those ones. Little chase to it. That's okay. A little better. Some arm pump going. I have not been out on the dirt bike in a while. Damn work trips are keeping me off my bikes. Ooh, yeah, that was a good one. Hell yeah. I was working my rear on that. Not the very last one, but the last one before that. I was working the rear good on that one. That's for sure. Where's my bike at? Ah, we Gucci. Skirt diddly.
Oodly, diddly, oodly, 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 doodly, 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 doodly. Shut the oodly doodler at her. They play doodly, 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 doodly.
Had to hit my rear on that one. That one came up the balance point fast. Holy. That's why a 450 race bike will bite you in the ass real quick. She'll snap up and reel over real quick. You gotta be quick on your feet. See, sometimes it's slow and then you'll get used to it being slow and then all of a sudden you'll crack on it a little harder and all of a sudden, whoop, it's right over backwards. It has happened to me before. And then you miss your rear brake because it's coming back so fast and it's just, she hurts. Not as long right now, but I'm definitely getting her back a bit. Figured I'd go over the gravel on that one. Oh, I wonder where we're at for time. It's getting hot. And yay me, I get to go on a work trip tomorrow, so I'm just getting out and filming one for this next upcoming week here. Like, I guess the week that I'm uploading this, I'm kind of being a little more prepared this time, so then at least while I'm at the hotel for work, I can do some editing and get it uploaded at a timely fashion for you guys this week. Do a couple more and go for a little loop, I think. Oof, that was rough. That wind probably sounds terrible. I'll try to edit out the wind as much as possible, but no guarantees. It's a hard thing to do. Ooh, I had to hit my rear on that one. Okay. This is probably wet as hell, but I haven't hit this jump in a while. Oh yeah, the grass is so long. Wonder if it's wet. No, I think we should. Threw a nice no-footer there, you probably couldn't even see it. Oh, I haven't thrown a no-footer in a while. Alright, I'm gonna see what we're at for footage here. Alrighty, go for another few minutes. I like about 20 minutes of footage. That one felt good. Felt easy. That one felt not good. Not bueno. Not muy bien. I've had a Spanish DJ on Spotify, so I've been learning a little bit of Spanish. Don't ask me why. Oh yeah, she gets down. Because why not? Oh, I want that shed. Oh, I need some storage for my toys bad. I got crazy. I love ripping on nice grass. I don't know why. Not like destroying it or anything, but just like nicely cruising on it. It's also freaky because it can be slippery as hell. I don't know how fast you'd have to hit this to clear this, but it would be fast because I'm not even gonna pop off that. The burnout pad. I did a burnout here once at a bike rally. Oh, a little too much. Not enough front end grip. Oh yeah, now you know that tire's grippy. Just working it in, that's all. I have yet to go for a ride up in the park this year. That's ridiculous. That's not okay. Hopefully the wind noise isn't too bad. Like I said, I put a really thick windsock on, so hoping it kind of diffuses some of it, but who knows. Alrighty, I'm back in the garage. My GoPro kind of had a freak out and decided to stop recording, so but that's all I got for you guys today anyways. So hope you guys enjoyed that one. Don't forget to drop a sub and a like. I got tons of stuff coming for you guys, so definitely don't forget to drop a sub. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that one, and see you later.